Hello, this is Dr. Kevin Connors with a 60-second cancer update. Today we're going to talk about stress and cancer. Well, we all know that stress isn't good for us. How does that affect us with cancer? Well, stress affects our HPA axis, the Hypothalamus Pituitary Adrenal Axis. So when we are under just acute stress, we're not talking about prolonged stress, but when we're under acute stress, we make cortisol, and the benefit of cortisol, it can help decrease inflammation. So cortisol is a natural anti-inflammatory. That's what it does. So that's a good thing. So acute stress can be a good thing. But the problem is we don't have just acute little episodes of stress every few days. We have prolonged stress that goes on all day long or multiple episodes per day. So that is a totally different story. So prolonged stress does not increase cortisol production. It ends up the opposite of that. It decreases cortisol production because our adrenals are stressed out. Our receptors for cortisol are stressed out, similar to insulin receptor problems in diabetics. So when we can't have that same response to stress, we end up with prolonged stress that decreases cortisol production and increases inflammation. So inflammation is the enemy to cancer. So prolonged inflammation that isn't counterbalanced with a good balance of cortisol causes this damage in the HPA axis, damage in the cell's receptors for cortisol, damage in our adrenal function. So our adrenals are basically worn out with prolonged stress, and that adrenal dysfunction does not decrease our inflammation. So then bottom line is we end up with this ramped up inflammation. So we have this constant inflammatory process, which we could say is often the root of many of our diseases, not just cancer, constant ramped up inflammation. So what do we do about it? Bottom line, deal with the stress of your life. Find some way as an outlet for your stress. Support your adrenal gland, support your HPA axis. Consider adaptogenic herbs to help keep hormones balanced. You'll find more of this on our website and on our blogs and in our store. Thank you very much. 60-second update.